Alrighty, root. Let's do this. Mother fluffer, come on. I have the world's most annoying song stuck in my head today. And that's me probably being nice. It is so annoying. But it is what it is. We carry on. Steven! Look at you! How are you? Like, the first commenter, how wild. How you doing, Steven? Oh, wait. I was wondering why I was, like, struggling in my old age. Oh, gosh. Anyways, what's up, Steven? How are you? Hey, Lukey, to be fair, I have not even looked yet. Whoa. Wow, this kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to have a look-see. Leaky, what are you today? Maybe bull. Let me have a proper look now. Yeah, Lukey, I'm getting there slowly but surely. I call them Bob zones. But there is indeed some support and resistance zones, which is amazing. But it's kind of going between the two of them. I think that's one. So I'm quickly doing this last two things and then I'm gonna have a look. But Lukey, what are you feeling for today? Hey Laura, what's up? We should have a trading Christmas party. Laura, I kind of love that. How would we do that though? A trading Christmas party sounds pretty awesome, but also low-key pretty awkward just because I know us. We're pretty awkward people sometimes. You say we're having a party? Well, Handle, Laura said we should have a trading Christmas party. I don't quite know how that would work, like logistically wise. I guess maybe on the Discord we could all just hop on, but that could be pretty chaotic. How would you even do that? See, Laura, now you've got my brain going, right, Handle, but how, like, how? I think that's the thing, how? Based on market close yesterday, I feel bull at the moment until proven wrong. Steven, I'm not awkward, I'm unique. Jose? How about a strategy party? Jose, how would that work? Steven, I'm just straight up awkward. I can't even say I'm unique, I'm just straight up orkies with life. But Lukey, until proven wrong, I was looking very briefly and I was thinking bullish. Now we're gonna hop into this resistance level again. Again, this is just... I'm sorry, you guys are gonna hate me. I'm gonna draw the chaos lines. Are we ready? So... New York low. Thank you. Okay, let me just get all my things together. Watch anime? What's up? Also, what anime do you watch? Then I'll be able to tell. Lukey, can't you draw those zones on lower time frames as well? I mean, Lukey, this is on the 1 minute. I'm just saying. Awkward is fine for you. You're a girl will easily forgiven. I mean, Stephen, when you put it that way, like, it's sad that you're not wrong. Does that make sense? And here's New York High. Okay, let me check out where Asia low is. Oh, here's market open. Was there an imbalance? Not really. Okay, not much of an imbalance happened around there. This, however, is officially Asia low. In this right here, ooh, is Asia high and equal highs. This is a potential juicy level. Oop. Okay. Well, we've got some levels marked out. Now, I need to mark the 3 a.m. high. Or open, sorry. Not 3 a.m. high, 3 a.m. open. Okay. Tuesdays likes to go to the new weekly opening gap. However, it has been filled, but wait, new weekly opening gap is above. Well, that doesn't happen very often. Okay, I'm feeling bullish today. Sorry, I'm back. What's up? We can party like it's 1929. I feel like that's a scary handle. I feel like they used to party like mad lads back then. Am I ever join? Just check out Spirit Trading. I did, Jules. I did join. Also, hi Jules. How are you doing? Then we're not in between two zones anymore. Why? Trade Delicious. What's up? Welcome. How are you? I just back testing, forward testing, and charting different stocks. Jose, that's valid. Only true trader, what is up? No, only true trader valid. Let me go check the higher time frame. Loki, don't use my bias, you silly goose. No. It's not purely based off of your bias. It's because it is Tuesday. Rip's not here, he would be proud. Tuesday price tends to gravitate towards... I am gonna have to ask him this though. It tends to gravitate towards the weekly opening gap. However, if the weekly opening gap has already been taken, is it still valid? Never really had this, so I'm gonna have to ask him if he pops up. Just passing through looking for someone my age to chat with. Emin man, what up? I'm okay. How has the community been? Got a lot of There's tons, Jules. It's ridiculous. Yeah. Sometimes I sit there and I kind of go, okay. Am I doing CFD trading? No. So, oh my goodness, I've missed a lot. I've missed a lot. Stock chat with Maya. Okay, wait, missing things. Jose, hi. I mean, I ended in the green yesterday, so that was nice. Okay, my idea is if you continue trading from zone to zone, there's another one every 10 minutes. Oh, interesting. I can tell you that's definitely going to go up. Use as a drawn for at least 5 weeks. 5 weeks? 5 weeks. Only true trader, out of curiosity, is your chart clean? Because with all that information, and then you get the imbalances, and you get the fair value gaps, and you get the first percentage fair value gap, would it not just be one big explosion of information? So right now you see you got equal highs above, yep, as well as weekly opening gap, exactly. Stevens, sorry, was in the wrong, yeah. Crypto, what am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Oh, thanks, British, I think. Livitz, what you going low? Well, thanks, Jules. I will definitely reach out. I appreciate it. I'm gonna quick. Let's check the higher time frames. While it looks like it's low-key consolidating a little bit. 2 minute. Let's check the 5. Okay, I'm just gonna block out the noise for a minute. If it can go higher, pull this fair value gap, have a little rejection off of the order block, and then proceed to the buy side, that would be quite a nice entry. I don't know if it would do that though. Let's check out 15. Bounced off of this area quite nicely. 15, 16. Okay, and let's check the 4 hour. I mean, we are very agonizingly slowly going to the upside. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Okay, Asia low. I did not mark that nicely. Ooh, but there's no wicks here. So many things to look out for. It's so... I want to say frustrating. Frustrating might be the correct word. I've missed a lot of messages. Sorry. I have 2 chart tabs, one with annual gaps and end dogs, then my clean chart. I don't rely on them much, just use fair value gaps and highs. Keeping it simple. Nice, okay. S&P 500 will go up. Also, Crypto God, you think so? Yeah, of course, Jules. Yeah, super comfortable. Why not? Okay. Use time frame alignment. Keep the order flow more accurate. Only true trader, is it bad that I've never heard what is time frame alignment? What does that do? Sorry, that's I think the first time I've ever heard that. Luvitz, I have always been doing day trading. Like, I feel like you've watched this enough to know this, but anyways. So the dollar's going up, so perhaps NAS is going down. Ooh, interesting, Laura. So it's going up. I know that it was down. I wanted to say quite a bit, but not that much. But still, I know that the dollar was down. Hey, Platinum Player, what's up? And a trader, hi. Well, I'm using top 1 futures at the moment. Oh, cool. No no problem, Jules. I'm trading top 1 futures on Project X, which I know is not going to be allowed for much longer though. So let's see what happens. Well, on the bright side, at least ES and NQ look similar today. You know, let's take the wins where we can. But I usually use swing highs and lows on the daily and 4 hour, then fair value gap. Sessions highs and lows and fair value gaps. See, that's a lot. John, you think it's going up? What do you mean by alignment? It supports the two plat. Oh, interesting. Oh, you use Bulinos, Jules? Cool. Also have a nice setup. What? I don't have a setup, but thank you. Hey Mirth, what's up? Wow, there's a lot going on today. Moving on. Anyways, only true trader. Are you going to be looking? Well, I know you took a little sneaky trade yesterday. Are you looking for something good today? Da-da-da-da. Okay, so 4 hours for your bias, 15 minutes for your point of interest, and 1 minute for your entry. That makes sense. That makes sense. It's a little bit similar to SMC then. I know SMC is 4 hours for basically bias or to find your order block. Then it tends to be 1 hour, and for change. No, I'm gonna butcher this now. 4 hour basically gets your bias of which direction we're going. 1 hour gets your change of character and potential break of structure. Is that the 5 minute? Now I'm mixing things up. And then I remember the entry was supposed to be on the 5 minute. Hey Solly, what's up? Google Mail, time to YOLO. No, we're not YOLOing. I'm not gonna lie, when I first read that, I read yodel and I was like, why are we yodeling? Why are we doing yodeling today? It's quite funny actually, but anyways. But no YOLOs. We're trying to be good. Closer to the 13th, I might do some YOLOs, but we're not there yet. It's just a bit choppy and wiki right now, which kind of sucks. Damn, platinum player, that's a lot, but thank you. Oh damn, cool, Jules. I'm assuming you guys have a thing you use, like an affiliate code you use, but if you guys wanted to show love and support, you guys could use my affiliate code. Which stock? Well, I'm using indices. That's weird. I'm gonna, Jules, let me go see. I'm gonna have a look. Use 1 minute entry lock. Please use 5 minute alignment. BTWS. Only should trader careful. There's gonna be a lot of stuff when you go, if you say that, but what is going on, Luvitz? What are you talking about? Damn, Solly, okay, yeah, sorry, but you do have to come, like, kind of come out of retirement for this one. Oh, thanks, Jules. Hey, Chudo, what's up? How can you walk around all day? Anyways, Lion Ronnie, Bitcoin going up or down? Sorry, I'm not trading Bitcoins, so I can't help you on that one. Okay, we're good. We're good. Judo, do I trade gold? I have not. Like, if you will, I can say I've dabbled in gold. I've had a look at gold before, but I have not traded it. Oh, that actually would have been a win. No. Yes. Yes, it would have. But not a great setup. Only had 2 confluences. Wow, this is starting really slow. Do we think the whole day is going to be like this? I hope not. Crypto is a scam, prove me wrong. Well, I mean, Mac, I don't trade crypto, so I don't know. Thanks, Jules. I'm gonna copy paste this and then I'll hop on later. Sorted. Thanks, Jules. We're now using a lot of levels and confluences, which can cause hesitation or uncertainty. Your entry model is fine though. Only true trader, that's the thing. How do I put this? The more you learn, the scarier it... No, that's not correct either. The more you learn, the more things there are for you to look out for. The more you start to go like, oh, but I could do this. Oh, but I could do this. Oh, but I could do this. Which is where, you know, you sometimes have to remember to keep it simple. But I am trying to be good with my rules. Right? I think that's it. I had 1, 2... I had 2. Like I said, for this particular trade, I would have only had 2 confluences, so it would have been like a B setup. It's not bad, but it's not great. Those are less likely to be wins. Hey, Danny, there we go. Crypto's not a scam. Prove me wrong. Nice, Danny. I like that. Oh, think. Mr. Official C, am I from England? No, I'm from South Africa. What's up? Arv, you're scalping short on the crypto. How much do I charge per... What? I don't want to even ask that. Anyways, is that actually... Moving on. So what I would recommend is being reason for your bias. That's interesting. House, I was looking at buys, by the way. What about you? Jules, I do. So, okay, wait. Pick reasoning for your bias and reasoning for an entry. Don't look for reasons why an entry should work. That's what made me profitable. I stopped justifying your entry. I mean, that's quite interesting. And that's the one thing that just changed. That just changed your, well, turned you profitable. That's very interesting. Only true trader. And house, you're looking to sell. Oh, damn. Oh, okay. Well, let's see. Who's gonna be whose liquidity today? What's the meaning of my name? I've been told a few times. I don't know. There's a few, I think. Oh no. Go go to the moon or whatever. Mac, what's that? Just kidding, house. Let's see, I'm waiting for it to come take out Asia high, and then potentially, once it's taken out Asia high, go down for Asia low. That's at least what I think could happen. It might want to come out, go take out Asia high, and then retrace back down to Asia low. Again though, I need to sit and wait for my correct entry model. And if it doesn't show up, well, that just sucks. To simplify it, when I get on, I don't go to the one that I stop, bias, or draw, then go down to the team. So long one, see a sweep of a low or the value gap. Okay. Look for an entry. Anyways, I'm moving on. Soon the name is going to change. Ask Maya Trade. Ah, Jose, no, I don't think so, but thank you. There's exactly 4 patterns that indicate direction and only take place at one specific place. Jules, I've never heard that. Really? Like what? This is interesting. You've piqued my curiosity. Is this a big burrito? What's happening? Hey Mgu, what's up? There's a lot of chaos going on. And I haven't had any coffee yet today. Maybe that's the problem. Maybe I need to have some coffee. Chill. Wait for something decent. I don't like days like this. Why do I feel like yesterday was better than this? But anyways. Hey David, what's up? Hey Tyson, how you doing? Shout out to David. Thanks, David. Miss things. For example, so for example, the bullish and tags the bullish fair value again, then keeps going higher. Only true trader, I hear you, but would it not then be too late to get in on that entry? Does that make sense? So like with this one, if I'm understanding correctly, right? Here we go. So it comes down into the fair value gap, but now it looked like it was going lower down. Oh my gosh. Living in coastal towns in December is ridiculous. In December, everything wakes up because now they think they have to look impressive for everyone coming down on holiday. There's just tractors and noise and ugh. Anyways, I can't complain. I guess at least they're keeping the place looking pretty, but seriously? It's worth it after having my mate thing. I mean, yeah, David, that would happen. Hey, Dom, what's up? Good morning. Cozy Crypto Crib. Yes, I'm South African. What's up? Rip. Hey. My note sheets in it. 6-step sequence that consistent repeat. Jules, how long have you been trading for, if you don't mind me asking? And did I trade yesterday? Tyson, I did. I did trade yesterday. I ended the day in green. I had one loss, one setup that I should have taken but didn't. That would have been a win. Oh well. And then I had a winning trade. So that was really awesome. You're in a short. I hear the December, Jan, up, March. Down, Luvitz? What? Is that a thing? Starts 5 years full time. And starts, how long did it take for you to become profitable? If you don't mind me asking. For 4 years now, if you ask me that. And okay, same question goes. How long have you been trading for, and how long did it take you to become profitable? Basically, think of it like this. You use your gambling entry on. Oh, sorry. Got it. Okay, but then only to trade it like this day where this is doing absolutely nothing. You do end up just sitting and waiting for the correct entry, correct? Sorry, only to trade. I thought that took me a minute. You meant on getting it on the higher time frame, then coming back down. Got it. It clicked. Took a while, but it clicked. David, you know, when I put the headband on, I actually thought of you, and I was like, yeah, you're gonna call me a nun. So it's 2.5 years, wow. Yeah, bruh, no. But anyways, moving on. But I'm stubborn. Two and a half years for break even and 3 years for profitability, and now in first year in profit made 104K this year. Damn, Tom! Whoop whoop, that's amazing! I'll show you the trade of the day. But then the only trade anyone taking is there. Go on, Tyson, please do. For just over a year now, but I really enjoy studying. I struggle with socializing. Jules, I get that. I get that. I actually need to be doing a little bit more. It's like I said, time is not my friend most of the time. Well, nah, get it. Anyways, moving on. It feels like time is not my friend. Yesterday was all I mean, yes and no, Rip. I would have had to have had like a red swimsuit thingy going on. I don't have a red costume. No, don't. Oh, I do. I lied. I lied. I do. I got 250,000 for it. Damn. No, so it was a dress over the bikini. I don't really have one piece. No, I do. I have a monokini. I don't think that counts though. Because you can be bullish but keep being stopped out of break even because you're going in too early or too late. I mean, only to trader, that makes lots of sense. Okay. Let's test this a little bit. Rip. Close your eyes. I'll tell you when to open them again. Yep. I mean, this... Okay, no, I can't even deal with this. Okay, let's do that. But this just looks... yucky. Sorry, I don't have much better word. This just looks yucky. Let's see, this would have been a flipping awesome entry. So potential sweep at 489 and then see if it wants to go a little bit higher or vice versa. Let's check now. on the 1 hour. Sorry, guys. I'm just thinking out loud. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. I am so sorry. There we go. Except I drew it wrong, because theoretically, looking for bulls, not bears. Again, time is not my friend. There's so many things that I need to do, and I want to do. One thing at a time, right? One thing at a time. No ways. This is my 50% line, just by the way. Interesting. Okay. We're testing this a little bit today. Let's see if this works out. Yes, and look at the 8:20 a.m. 2-minute candle. Place box on it and extend it to the right. Once you've done that, draw a line from 7:48 lowest candle displacement. Gives out MXs. Okay, Tyson, I will do that now. Wow, there's a lot going on. Bear with me, guys. Let's do this one step at a time. Rip! Why don't I just delete that mess there? Because some of those levels are still important, I'm sorry! And also there was a Christmas tree. It's Christmas. Where'd my Christmas tree go? Christmas tree! Merry Christmas! I'm gonna piss a lot of people off with that one. Anyways. Geordie, no! Hey, Geordie, what's up? Are you still feeling yucky? I'm so sorry. Price is pushing too quick. You want to pull back? Early pull back? Or too late and get stopped out? Laura, you're in a sell on? What are you trading today, Laura? Hey, Augustine! How you doing? And Dom? Do I trade New York session? Yes, Dom. I trade both, always. I say always. I should maybe have a day off sometime, right? Oh, thanks, Jules. Thanks for the gifty. Yeah. Oh, I've missed a lot. I don't think I should trade like this. No. I'm not a fan of day trades. I figured. See how you drew the bearish candle extension now? Let's see if that holds. If you were bearish, that would be a big sign to be bearish and look for bearish entries. I mean, it literally hit it to the mark and started melting, so that's quite interesting. Oof, again, I should maybe be focusing on... So it's now taken out 3 AM lows. And we have not reached 4 yet. Oh, Christmas. Yes, Rip, it is Christmas time. We love Christmas time. Lubitz, what? There we go, stops. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, Tyson, then I can go back to you. Like I said, just give me a minute, guys. I don't like where the entry is. The entry could be a little bit lower. Rip is being really quiet, which makes me nervous. What's up, Rip? There's another cool fact. Middle and 2 minute candle. Stop us for protection hand targeting. Breaker generates 3 to 9. What? Probably equals observation over oh, wow. Only true trade, I guess that's valid. That is valid. You guys know I get a little bit fixated on this 1 minute. Is Rip still heartbreak? I think so. I did apologize to him. I really, really felt bad. I was like, I couldn't tell if you were joking or not. I'm so sorry. Oh, are you still in a short? Yeah, exactly. Okay. Rip, I'm still taking notes of all of the levels. Just by the way. See, I got 3 AM opening. I have to do it almost religiously now. This all feels like a mess. Why is this all feeling like a mess? Are you good? Okay, moving on. That was very overdramatic. Winner wrist. What? Anyways. Elias, hi, how are you doing? Also, hey James, how are you? Let's get back to trading. How did I do in New York session? Ah, not bad. Oh, there we go. Yesterday's session I ended green. I had a loss during London, a missed trade during New York, and then a winning trade. So that was good. So I ended in the green, not by a lot, but you know, green is green. I made up. No, that's wrong way of thinking. Ended in the green. It was good. Done and dusted. On a major structure, there's hardly anything for Nasdaq, and yes. That's exactly. The higher time frames don't look great, which I guess is also a sign, right? Right, guys? And right, Rip, that it's a bit chaotic and that it's probably not a great idea to trade. And you might just be lucky. Oh, now my stupid VWAP bounced again. Hey, Top Shelf, how you doing? Probably wait for you. Tariq, I don't teach. Anyways. Do you believe there's a recurring pattern to crypto that allows you to make profitable trades? Ah, well, Sammy Dodger, I don't really trade crypto, so... Yeah. Raj, you bought gold? which city? I live in South Africa, if that's what you're asking. So basically, in a range, it's 100% specific candle, or generated like on a block. Interesting. So Jules, do you have a range setup that works? Do you trade the range? The range does not work well for me. I do not like trading rangy days. It is not my go-to. Definitely not my favorite thing at all. Took out external, took out internal. Creepy? Hi. So I'm not calling you creepy, that's just literally your YouTube handle. What's up? How you doing? Seems a lot of traders say there are patterns to trading. Yes. So I guess it also depends, like, are you talking daily, weekly, yearly? Okay. I based? Which platform am I using? Or trading? I'm trading on the Nasdaq futures. Using Project X with top 1 futures. Prop firm? Oh my gosh. Sorry, there was a delay in brain cells connecting there. Wow. Why are you not kicking in yet? Come on, please. Wakey wakey. Yes, I studied the sequences and understand how candles are generated within a range. Jules, how quick are your trades? Out of curiosity. Are you like in and out, or what's your thing? So we are contracting a lot from yesterday, so expecting a bit of expansion. I guess the question is when, right? So I did say I like the idea of it coming for the Asia highs and then dropping down to grab the Asia low. Which is why yeah, my bias is a little bit on the bullish side, which I know it's not always great to be stuck with a bias. Ooh, bug. Jose, do I only go A+ setup? I'm trying to be better with only doing A+ setup. Yes. That's me trying. You know, sometimes things happen and it doesn't work out, but yeah. The goal is for only the A+ setups to be taken. I mean, by doing that, I went from a 40% win rate to a 64% win rate, which is really good. I like to say for now, I'm at break even, which is not bad. It's now to obviously just next step is to become profitable. Platinum player, what's up with what questions? There's an in-dog, eh? Is there? Not really. Using top step. Oh, nice. It is, Neil, but only in March, I think it was. So I'm gonna have to swap over, probably to Trading View. Plus in log. He's trading hard. You've never tried. Hey, Huron. Yes. Well, it's not easy. I think once you get it I still don't want to say it's easy because you're not always going to be winning, but yeah, it's not easy. Price pool, wow, awesome. Oop, missed a lot, missed a lot. Do you go for intraday or long run holding? Intraday, bro, Noah. Yeah, more of a scalper myself. ICT is very complex, yes. Okay, Joel, good. Morning. Didn't take the full buy stance and there's a small gap allowing price to come back using 341. Hey Celestial, how are you by the way? It's Viv, hi. The life not easy, no. Long run been mostly successful for me, but I've been trying to learn options. Oh, and? How's it going, Alex? Jose, do I speak Spanish? No, sorry. My parents do though. They moved to Uruguay and they now can speak Spanish, so that's pretty cool. Raj, do I trade only NQ for now? Yes, I want to get good at one asset before I start jumping. There's a lot of questions going on today. Interesting. I mean, not a bad thing, you know, throw them at me. I apologize if I don't answer everyone, because there's a lot going on today. My greatness. So just confirming, Jordy, are you're sitting today out, right? But what are my two go-to parameters to pick a company? Well, I don't really do the whole company thing. I'm on NASDAQ futures and I stick with it. It's hard, fast-paced, but interesting. No, exactly. You never get bored. Hey, Ethan, what's up? I have the ability to scale from low time frame to higher time frame due to it all being fractal, but averagely, yeah, Jules. Okay, don't apologize for asking questions. Hey, Project Freedom, how's it going there? And Celestial, you're prepping for vacay. Where are you going? Where are you going on vacay? This price action kind of sucks. I know we're still early days. I know we've been here for an hour. For me, this sucks. I'm sure some of you have gotten some trades in already, right? Project Freedom, I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Yeah, likely, but not because of market related stuff, just feeling. Yeah, no, exactly. No, 100%. Don't trade when you're feeling like absolute garbage. Oh, okay, Project, so you're waiting for New York for the move, if you will, the big move. Hey, Lurk, how are you? Welcome back. Benny, I'm trading the NASDAQ futures. Moving on, sorry. I'm too busy today, I'll come back when the chat's calmer. Yeah, bro, it's a bit hectic today. But it's fine, it's not a bad thing. Blue line? This blue line? I asked about this one. This is the VWAP. When am I coming to visit in Thailand? Well, I mean, I guess when I'm profitable. It would be amazing. That would be awesome. You know, goals. But that might take a while. You know, things cost money. Horses are expensive. Ferries not, luckily, but still. Green Globe Explorations, you see a perfect sell. What, coming up now? Where would your entry be? Green Globe Explorations? until after the Fed tomorrow and the bigger moves in New York. Oh, I keep forgetting that there's something happening tomorrow. Rip's trigger finger is ready today. I see. Yep. I'm glad. It's being done. I think will be my last week trading this one. Why, Rip? Depending on the hour range and frequency, to plus my normal favor is collecting stream range. Damn, Jules. That is a lot of information. Michelle's around the sell side. Still a bit low probability. Obo Kobo. Is this a demo account? Well, no. Well, yes and no. It's an eval account. Don't think that counts as a demo account though. So everyone's kind of gonna hop off potentially next week? Huh? Or after this week? I guess then it is holiday time. I'll probably take some more days off. Maybe not trade every single day. I don't know. Like I said, I've never traded December. So it might be nice. It might be absolutely disgusting. Captain there. Okay. Trading means volatility. This is just a recipe for disaster. Whatever it folded next week. When am I shutting it down for December? Next week Friday, or are you trading? Why those specific days? I was thinking maybe just taking... When's the public holiday, Geordie? The 16th is a public holiday in South Africa, right? Is that only a South African thing? I haven't even bothered to look, to be fair. Thinking maybe I'll take that day off because it's a public holiday in South Africa. I know that means absolutely nothing for the markets, but and then maybe, you know, 24th, 25th, 26th, obvious days. And now it is going back down. Interesting. Impulse. Okay, sorry, I'm thinking, not so out loud, but I'm thinking. Can you see the clock spinning? Thank you, SP can go in a day, damn. For example, 2 contracts you can't even. How much do you earn a day? Oh, sorry, that might be a bit too personal. You don't have to answer that one. You two, you came because you're interested in NVIDIA. Does anyone trade NVIDIA? 24, 26, 31st for a second is a no-go volume-wise. So, there we go. That makes sense. So I probably won't be on those days. Into the first week of Jan or so, it actually helps to take a week or two break and refresh and reflect. Hope this next hourly runs. 16 is still good volume. Okay. Damn. Okay, but I say damn. But there we go. Take 24th, 25th, 26th, and then 31st, 1st, and 2nd. Maybe that's a decent option. Took a short and break even now. Moved it earlier because of the equal highs above. Ooh! Only to a trader? I didn't even know you were in a trade, you little sneaky. I like it. As you can see, I put this range up, but I had 2 confluences. Maybe that is the thing. Maybe I'm looking for too many things, right, Only True Trader? How's this look on the higher time frames? Sorry, just someone I did not expect to be calling me is calling. I did not expect that. Moving on. What an unwelcomed call. Moving on. That is going to reach that low with so much liquidity above it. Oh, I've missed so much. Average 2.55k in Asia and London and New York 5k. Jules, are you saying dollars or rands right now? What the heck, Jules? So you're living your best life. I'm assuming you do this full time. FOMC tomorrow, that's the biggie. Oh, I see, I've... Yeah, something like that. Oh damn. Okay, so it would have been a goodie. Shows what my bias did there. Where's 4? Oh, that's why. This is the 4. Okay, here's open, so here's 4 close. These are nearly in line. And now obviously it's taken out the low. Might retrace slightly higher. It's now taken out some internal liquidity. No, it has not. I lie. So there is a potential of it going a little bit. Yeah. Has less than the other one. This is now FOMO kicking in because I missed the other trade. Guys, what happened to Vishal? Jordy, good question. That leaves you with 2 okay volume Tuesdays after next week, Friday. Then easy back in on 5th of Jan with volume picking up again from the 19th. Onisha Trader just took a partial. You're chilling now. Nice! Whoop whoop, Onisha Trader. That's amazing. I'll use the Pinox trading to an option 1 and 2. You have to limit yourself, true. Into the consistency factor down the line. Yeah, Jules, and you've been doing this for a year. And you're doing that well. That is amazing. I've missed a lot. That leaves you with 2 okay volume days. Ba-ba-ba-bam. My dog Michelle calling up a private number. Solly, if that happened, wow. Just wow. That would be kind of terrifying. Back by a couple of the project don't enter sell here, it's about to retrace. Don't leave. Celestial, thank you. F&B keeps calling you. My flipping, oh, that reminds me. I now need to, there's so many things I need to do. I need to email. Maybe I need to call them. No, that I don't know what's worse, emailing or calling, but I need to email my freaking phone provider because for some reason it's costing me 5 rand to call to enter. You know, you have the gates that you call the number and it opens. It costs me 5 rand every time, which is ridiculous. Sorry, that was my little rant over. Only true trader, whoop whoop whoop. Amazing, well done. That is so cool. Huh, so much for my bias, okay. I do this on the 1 hour, hey. It's respecting this solidly. I was not quite expecting that. I don't like this price action. I mean, it looks a little bit better now, but I still don't like it. Well, Rippert's definitely taken out the lows now. Yep. Yeah, it's gonna come into this fair value gap on the higher time frame. Project Freedom in Joy. For the whoop whoop. Thanks, big. You two can see. Ah, Jules, who was your mentor? Was it from the spirits? Literally only true trader, like to the freaking tick. The problem is now my little goose brain is going, cool, so now it's just going to be lows until New York low, which is not necessarily correct. Was that high probability or low probability? This is better. Is it better? 1, 2. Kind of 3. It has taken out. Wait, what are you asking probability wise? Are you asking with what happened? Was it high or low probability? Mr. Panda, I'm not in an active trade right now, sorry. Wow, there's a lot going on. Welcome. What is this? This is the Nasdaq futures for anyone that's new that has just hopped on. Welcome to the chaos that is this. Okay, bro, prefer the bottling up method, works wonders. Geordie! You're right. Simplicity, if I was too concerned with the inlog and the Asia times, I would have hesitated. See, that's the thing, only true trader. As you know, I was a little bit on the bias of it's gonna go up, and so I missed those. That is the one problem with having the bias. No, I know it's good to have a bias, but sometimes I think it's you just have to be flexible with the bias, right? So 2 days ago, I finished a strategy where I analyzed the price ribbon 3, damn it. Jules, do you have like one of those beautiful minds? It sounds like you do. Lubit, do you think it's going to go back up? Wait for New York, red floor USA tomorrow, and there's not enough volume right now. That's a slow ass trade. I mean, MNQ Tarzan, you're not wrong. This is just... yeah. I mean, on the higher time frames, this actually does just look like garbage, but maybe that's the point if it doesn't look great. Geordie? I'm just like, anyways, moving on. Hey, is it Samir? What's up? They say when your stock goes down, buy some more. Anyways. If you need cash, let me know. I'll ask David. I was gonna be like, what's the plan here? That's so rude. Gonna send some donors. I have a funny Aussie accent. Oh, that's because I'm not Australian. I am South African. If anyone's short, you might think of taking something off. Okay, Rip, so you think it's gonna... Oh, because it's now taken out the low, it might want to start going back up to the sell at the buy side. Am I getting even close? Rip? I know it's probably, like I said, probably frustrating for you. Every day I'm doing this and this and this. It's just a lot of information being thrown, but because it went and took out the low, it's now the higher probability that it's going to retrace back up. Yes, no, maybe. AI songs, I think you're forcing trade. I think London and New York is the best time to execute. This is London. Just saying. Hazy, that's okay. Get Jordy, stop it. Not enough my volume. Yeah, there's not enough anything very close. Hazy, I'm assuming you're Australian. We're going down cluster zone broken. Mr. K? That's specific slow. Actually, in broken EQ is a higher low. That's interesting, Jules. Haven't heard that. Okay, Mr. K, you think it's going down. How big is this? I do have 3 confluences, but this feels like a silly goose day to trade. I'll donate my presents briefly. Oh, thanks, Hazies. The market only does these 3 things: consolidation, manipulation, and expansion. No, that's true. Maverick, what's up? This is building liquidity in a range about 5 AM EST for me in the USA. Sportman. Actually, no, the high is high probability in that situation. Close is above the open. Okay. The reason for my short bias was the 4-hour and just wanted to sweep a 15-minute swing high or bearish 15 minutes value up. Entry function. Okay, interesting. Sorry, I know I'm saying okay quite a bit. I'm reading. There's a lot going on today. Is it because the price action is trash and everyone's like, man, we're a bit bored? Is that what's happening? I get it. I'm just confirming if that's what's happening, because this is a lot. It's not a bad thing, it's just a lot. Okay, so only true trade. I'm gonna read that again slowly. Was the 4-hour bearish for that? Okay. Then just wanted a sweep of a 15-minute swing high or a bearish 15-minute fair value gap. Okay. I got the 15-minute swing high sweep, and then look for your entry function. Okay. Do you have a fib on your true trader? Is that then how you get your entry? Definitely previous. Three time point of and 6-step sequences and 4 patterns for direction. Jules, you have completely intrigued me with this right now. I'm not gonna lie. This sounds very, very interesting. I am very keen to, to hear about this. I've never heard it explained like that. MQ Tarzan couldn't sleep. Oh, I'm sorry. Now I'm in Florida, but still New York time zone. Oh, cool. Lucky duck in New York. Thanks, Jose. I'm sorry, I'm trying to catch up on everything. Georgie, my bias was bullish. Well, now clearly I was incorrect. Oh, there's drama happening. Oh my goodness. Anyways, moving on. Both of those lines. Hey, Joseph, it's my little perfect king in line. It's my little GAN box. MNQ tells them we want to help you. No, that's true, and I really, really, really appreciate it. Can you tell I'm a little bit overwhelmed right now? It's not a bad thing. Overwhelm me, guys. It just... bear with me if I take a minute. Or if that's a little bit boring, because I'm obviously reading and looking and double checking things and carrying on. Oh, thanks. Yeah, songs, I think. That's why we're overloading you. I mean, that's okay. That's similar to your entry you had before. Oh, thank you, Only True Trader. Thank you, thank you. Bib is better than GAN. I like my GAN, Celestial. Be nice about my GAN. When tendies? Hazy? What? Bib GAN. Oh, Jody! What's wrong with my GAN box? I'm offended. Yeah, I was about to. I'm also a little bit confused. Let us know when you find her, buddy. Hey, Jordy, now I'm trying to decide if I should be offended by that, but moving on. Yeah, but I like mine. Chicken tendies is profit. Is that a thing, Hazy? No, Jules, no, carry on, carry on. In the balance, that's when time and price. What's M and Q? So it's the Nasdaq futures but micros. Have I entered a position new? If I use Top Step, I do not. Sorry, I'm using Top 1 futures actually. You'll laugh in a couple of months. Okay, let's see, Celestial. Hey kids fishing, how you doing? That means nothing. Loss indeed, but he also said if you make money I don't care, and that right there is what matters. Rip. Facts. Just facts. Maybe a new, but aren't they the same thing technically? If it... that's always kind of been my argument. Can't you just put the exact same... you know, amounts in? Yes? However you want to call it. Is it not same, but different? Am I gonna throw some money today? Beautiful job. Hey, redefine yourself. How are you doing? But Jules, please don't take a step back. I'm super curious, but I'll have to hop on and have a look-see. Shoot, I wanted to do something now and I've completely forgotten what I wanted to do. What did I want to do? The technical tools, but the game box version on price time symmetries with specific angles. Okay. Throw some money when it hits the support lines. Himself nice. Hey Curtis, what's up? What the hell? And just like that. Australia is the worst time zone for trading. I gave it up fast. Well, I mean, thank heavens I'm in South Africa. I think it's the best time zone for trading, to be fair. Okay. Give me 2 seconds. My dog's asking to go out. I'll be right back. Let's watch the chart go very, very, very slowly. Yeah. Very slowly. I'll be right back. Okay. I've missed a lot. Oh, kids fishing. Okay, sorry. Oh, before I go on, Jules. What's up? I'm gonna learn how to help someone with time cycles. Oh, definitely, Jules. Yeah, Jules. What's up? What do you want to tell me? It is 11:23. It's 11:23 already. Damn. It's 11:23 a.m. here in South Africa, so that's pretty cool. My take is that a fib is a more detailed game. But okay, hear me out. Hear me out. If trading shouldn't be complicated, isn't making it overcomplicated kind of defeating that point? And it's just trading. Ooh, Hazy, that kind of sucks. Send the trade. Ooh, thanks for the trade. I'm gonna have a look now. Thanks, Hazy. What's happening? Everyone's talking about GAN or FIB. Jose, yes? What's happening? Are all the weirdos just on, like, peak today? So that wouldn't have tagged me in, so that would have kind of been frustrating, but I guess it is what it is. I'm hoping New York is better. I'm hoping New York is better. Why? Maybe it's headed for Asia low first. I want to... Let's do this so I don't hurt your eyes. Do this. Let's check out 5 minutes. Let's come into this fair value gap. So this is where I drew the GAN. Earlier. Awesome. All right. All right. All right. All right. I love and hate days like this so much. Because I love it, because I learn a lot. I hate it, because it makes me realize that I have so much more that I need to learn. And it's not a bad thing that I need to learn a lot more, but wow, it does make me feel like I'm absolutely clueless in a very, 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 very big community. Anyways, so we take the impulse mode. Oh, I'm not using TradingView, Jules. I'm using Project X. I wonder if it has it. I must. Why complicate something simple? I mean, yeah. Has to be complicated in the beginning for it to be easy after. I mean, rip, that does make sense. You know, in the same breath, I had the argument the other day of the more you know, the easier it becomes. Some took this trade on my safety personal. Trade on my funded. Ooh, okay. GAN apparently considers the angle, so it's like a fib combined with a trend line. Ah, that's interesting. Calculations are a bit different, but very close, but it's a bit more complex because it can incorporate time. I see we're still having this discussion. Huh. So wait, which one incorporates time? I feel like I've mistook this one. Don't worry, David, there's been a lot. Thanks, Jules. I appreciate it. The more you know, the more your brain hurts. I mean... yeah, not wrong either. It really do be feeling like that sometimes. This is just gonna slowly keep going down now, isn't it? I still don't hate where this entry is though, but that being said, it did also nearly tap into an order block on the, was it the 15 minute? I think it was the 15 minute. What am I trading right now? Trading the Nasdaq futures. We should have the tool Project X. This one. What you barking at? Please don't be a snake. Oh, interesting, Rip. Okay. You know any good futures brokers in SA? Well, I mean, only True Trader. Like I said, everything in my description below is SA friendly. Just saying. Moved a lot, sorry. Yeah, Sean. Stevie just sold Bitcoin and cashed out on Kraken. Thing, Stevie, but I mean, I don't trade those. I want to go down a rabbit hole, be my guess. The day or week, what are you saying? Hey, DJ Discreet, how are you? Enough for that madness. Okay. There is a lot going on today. It did just hit, was it the 15-minute? There's a bunch of conversations that I'm not even part of right now, and that's fine. Kinda, not solidly though. But this could now start to go back up quite hectically. I do still like this trade. I don't know if it's going to get me in though. It's a bit far up. It might not even come to tag me in. I like it for a sell though, so let's just see what we get. Bounce off of the order block on the 15-minute. So futures, I think you already trades the safety versions. Hey, Silver Bullet Trader, what's up? Am I going long here? Kids fishing? No. I'm looking for a bit of a retest back up. Just use to master swing low as 1 and swing high as 2. Okay, Jules. Jules, I think you might have to show me just an image also. This momentum up is scaring me. Moving on. Decent pulls but costly. Again, I'm assuming wins and losses are about 50-50. And if we had a stop loss, what would have happened? Hey, Cerebral, actually, to be fair, my win rate is 64%, which is not bad. Are you asking me if I have done stats on if I had bought or sold at my stop loss? What would I have not, Cerebral? Also, hi. How are you doing? Freaking will make. Ah, Skeletor. Welcome back. Welcome back. How are you? Oh. How you doing? How you doing, Skeletor? Did you get upset that someone came in yesterday and did some dad jokes without you? I apologize. I'm in an entry, 30-minute, 1 hour sweep, and put that again. Thank you! Thanks, Jules. Might not hurt my brain so much. I'm gonna run. I have to help some time cycles. So. Absolutely, Jules. Thanks. Thank you so much. Smart Money Concepts is what SMC stands for. Got a sprinkle of snow. Oh, nice, Skeletor. I'm kind of jealous. It is so hot here today. I went for a run this morning. I took a photo. I'm not going to post it though because I look terrible. Literally, it takes a lot for me to sweat. I was super, super sweaty. Get in where the big money's getting. They were so much more creative. Oh, Geordie! Wow. Dory's being so mean. What crop do you... House? Well, I'm using... I'm using top 1 futures right now. And house, you know, South Africa's a little bit limited recently. Well, I say recently. South Africa's a little bit limited. Yeah, I did a 3K as well, and so nothing under 2K to be safe. Here stone. Okay. Sorted, I think. Kind of. We're getting there. Okay. Oh man. Possibly used the wrong range. Shoot, I used the wrong range. This might be painful to watch now. I'm a little bit... great. Goodness. Grief. Just great goodness grief. That's where we are at today. The slow price action's actually giving me a headache. I don't think that was possible, but... shoot, man. Yeah, but there's a lot of trades you didn't take in my page to stance, you know, taking every opportunity to do so. So, Bill, that's true. That is true. What if it works out really, really well and then I just take every single one? But that feels a little bit like gambling, because then there's no nothing to it. You just... like I said, with this one, technically... I used every range. Okay, let's say I saw the push down, so I went, okay, now we're gonna go B. This one would have been close, but would have been a win. Same goes not for here. This would have missed, which is why I'm still following that down, but maybe that was a mistake. Here would have been a win. Yep. No, I lie. Do I lie? I do lie because I'm moving the wrong thing. There we go. There we go. That would have been a win. And let's see now. This would have been a tag in. And slowly going down. Hey, bud. Okay, bye, bud. Oh, hi. What's up? Okay. Cool thing, no, she's setting up. Takes a lot for me to switch. Rip, rip, rip. No. Watch for that double bottom for a reverse. Kids fishing, I was looking at that thinking this is now about to hit, but it looks like it's headed for... No, I used the wrong range. That's frustrating. Cool. Cool, cool. Just cool. I don't think it's going to come back up now. It has most definitely hit the order block on the 15. Was it 15? 5? No, 15? 5. 15. I think to kid fishing or big break to the downside, doing something. I mean, rip that because I meant like I meant it in a cute little innocent way, but that little face you made, I was like, oh no, oh no, oh no. Okay, I mean everything nice and sweetly. Damn. My poor little innocent brain. Okay. Solidly tapped into there now. I feel like this is a bit of FOMO going on, which is obviously not great. I only have 2 instead of 3 confluences, which is also not great. Zoom out, I'm looking for last time. It was at this low. Here? What about here? What? Only true trader? I missed that. Support up again. Here it goes. What? Because it tapped into that order block? I still think it wants Asia low, but I could be wrong. Could respect the order block and then come back for it later. Yeah, I'm scalping. Well, yeah, sure. We all say I'm scalping. I could put like a small amount of contracts in. So if it's a win, it makes no difference. Well, if it's a loss, it makes no difference, Rob. I mean, rip. That was terrible. Fishing, wait for a little bit more drop. That's what I was thinking. No, Jordy, don't encourage that joke. That joke was terrible. Absolutely terrible. Sorry, I'm literally doing this because this is just FOMO taking place right now. Watch it maybe work out perfectly, but you can't let the emotions win with this, unfortunately. I'm trying really hard to not let it win. And maybe it's a mistake. Maybe it's gonna go down perfectly now. Which I nearly swore. Which would be frustrating. Terrible but logical. I mean, is it one of those, it's funny because it's true moments? Just a little bump, then back down to that previous low. It's what I was looking for. I mean, you could actually see how my TP lines up perfectly with the Asia low. I'm trying so hard to not let the emotions win though. Last time I did that, it was a disaster. Carter, how do you join my group? Well, I mean, kids fishing, sure. You're looking at the Asia low, right? Yeah, right there. On the 15-minute, you can see it obviously a lot better. Give me a second. For anyone that is new and wants to join, you're more than welcome. Skeletor, I just saw your joke on Discord. That was a goodie. I'm just saying. That one was awesome. might grow. Oh, thank you. We're all trainers, so love you too, I guess. You can't or can? Sorry. Geordie? No? Why? So close to what? No, I'm not. I'll be looking for long after this level. I'll scalp for long on a bigger number. Oh, really? Sect, I was looking for a cell here. Ooh. Maybe the buyers do want to take over a little bit. Is it about to cause an imbalance on ES? No. Oh, sorry. Damn it, I'm sorry, Jordy, my bad. Blueprint, that's a buy. What gives you that indication? Am I Australian? No, I am South African. Welcome, guys. Answer your trade. You're waiting for your salary to trade? Why don't you use then a prop firm if you, out of curiosity? To save on capital. He's also bad at business. Oh! Listen here. Listen here. To be fair, I was considering doing, well, I mean, I asked you guys with regards to potentially doing a whatchamacallit, like a little course for beginners that don't even know where to begin. You know, kind of where I was, where I didn't even know what a candle was type of situation. But then I was also thinking, what's it called? Patreon. Patreon? Is that it? Is that what it's called? This is Fibbo? Well, it's a GAN box, but yes. Best trade on YouTube when you start using percent B. Kid fishing? What exactly is percent B, by the way? If it was a short, it would have touched and moved. You say that. It doesn't always work that well. Ricardo, do I have a WhatsApp? No. Only to trade up to which one? Do what? What am I doing? Oh, we have a lot of work to do. I'm trying, guys. I'm trying. I guess sometimes not letting FOMO win works out. You've worked on yourself and your strategy for over 4 years. Damn. This time I will win. Okay, but wait. What is your strategy? Uns? Is it uns? Damn, Jordy. Damn, Jordy. Damn, Jordy. Rough. But yes. She's fine when starting out. Literally shows you. But okay, wait. Kid fishing. I don't think I have it. Is it just called percent B? What? This one. This one? Jordy, I'm just trying to understand the crown. I guess that's valid. I'm curious about this. Okay. Is it just showing how the candles are moving? Is that it? Baron of Foxhole, what's up? Now I've collected all the data and combined it into one. Ricardo, I'm on the 1 minute. The key to profitability is just 1. I don't think that's how... What? It's only giving me the little thingy down here, so not really, not necessarily. Ah, come in. Wrong thing. Do this again. Just start so that I can, if I want to. Come. I'm watching this because I'm curious, but I don't know. Rip the boiler bats? Yeah? Set your rules and never ever break them, yes. Baron of Foxhole, how are you doing, by the way? Pivots right. Looks on the way up. I've never used it before, so I'm curious, I guess. I don't quite know what I'm looking for, but I guess you can see the vibe pressure is stronger. Is that what the clue is? I'm good, it's early here off today. Oh, nice, Baron of Foxhole, that's amazing. Hey, Mike G, what's up? Brave, you can get out or just go for it. Expecting more flat shop until FOMC. Yep. Little blonde girl judging you. Oh wow. Hey Mike, how are you doing? Oh hey Jules, what's up? Do what exactly? I'm a little bit nervous. Rip, why are you judging? Short when it goes over the top line and long when it goes under. Only when it goes over and under. Never buy in the middle. Oh. Is that your whole strategy? Kids fishing? Is that literally your whole strategy? It goes and you go, cool, now we buy. And then you stay in it. Just try it for a week. Hey Ricky, how are you? How are you doing? Hey, Max Thor, how are you doing? What's the time by you guys? Well, it is 11:55 a.m. for me. Hey, sincerely yours truly. I'm going to check out my Jules. I might be able to. I'm going to have a proper look-see soon. Okay. As soon as I hop off, I'll be able to sit down again. Like I said, time is just. Yep. Time is not always on my side. Max Thor, don't answer what Geordie just said. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. What music is this? It is actually in the description if you want to, I guess, download it. It's just on repeat. Hey Wade, how are you? No, Max Thor, why would you say that? This is it look? I struggle to see with that font. This is the Nasdaq futures. Thanks, Jules. Oh, watch it go down to Asia low. Okay. I'm gonna watch this, but I'm a little bit skeptical about it. Anyways. Why do you guys like this? This is how I scalp big money on quick trades. Use a 1-5-minute indicator. So stupid simple. Of course, you don't want to watch upward momentum and downward trends. True. What's your don't sell? D, it's this one. It's the percent B or the what bands? Or something bands. Kim, what pair am I? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, by the way. Part of me feels silly for not taking a trade today. Another part of me is glad for not taking a trade today because today's not great. This is so slow. This price action sucks, but I guess it is what it is. Why does this look like it's gonna work out perfectly? Down to Asia low, which means Asia high is most likely going to be the next point of interest. Potentially, but I think if it comes, sweeps the Asia low, then Asia high is definitely going to be the next point of interest, but I won't be here for that. Oh, Max Thor, sorry, you're probably also on the vertical, by the way. The vertical you can't see as nicely. The horizontal you can see a little bit better. Rip. Okay. You can see the big money piles. Rip, have you taken any trades, by the way? You've been awfully... Well, I say awfully quiet. Not that quiet, but awfully quiet. Maxwell, you're from Europe. Oh, that's so cool. Looks it's possible. Herman, what a weird thing to say. It's going... There it goes. There it goes. Where? Livitz, you've been saying it's gonna go up. To the zero line. It's going down, my guy. Where are you going? Never buy in the middle, only after it breaks top or bottom line. Where would you get out though? So here it broke the bottom line. So would you have bought here? And then where would you have gotten out? Kids fishing. Hey Loki, what's up? Bear. Until it takes out Asia low. Which it looks like it's gonna do. Stop it. Stop it, Jordy, be nice. Back up again, leave it. Yeah, meh, no. Let's see, you've been saying that, just saying. $25620 looks good. 620, really? You think it wants to go all the way down to 620? Sunny? Took 2 small longs and work. Ah, sorry, Rip. That's okay, though. It's nice to know that you are human and that you also have some bad days. I'm just saying. D, this one. It's called Bollinger Bands. I think I butchered that. Bollinger? I don't even know. Boilinger. No, I'm joking. I don't even know how you say this. But anyways, it's %B if you type it into your indicators. I'm just having a look. I've never used it before. Yeah. Just having a look. Don't be sorry, it's just the costume. But Rip, I guess that's fair. Hey, Down in the Shed. How's it going? Interesting name. Break even, get on. There we go. Thanks, D. Ah, whoop whoop somebody. A win is a win. No matter how small, right? Green is green. So fun listening to you try pronouncing indicator names. No, Jordy. Oh, that's so mean. But part of me kind of wants to now. Maybe I shouldn't, because this is gonna be terrible. Well, what is this? I can't. Should I try and say this? I'm gonna butcher this, and you guys are gonna hate me. Is it Arnold Lego moving average? Arnold Lego moving average? Nope. Arun average directional index. I got that one. Price average true range. Damn, there's a lot. There's awesome oscillator. I'm assuming that's oscillator. Wow. So on super boring days, apparently I can just hop on and try and pronounce these. I'm gonna get cancelled for saying this one. Kopok curve. Is that it? Correlation log. Got that one. Elder's force index. That sounds like something out of an anime. Wow. Guppy multiple moving average. There's some really weird names in here. No sure What the heck is this? Why are there so many weird things? MA cross. MA with the MA cross. MACD, I know those ones at least. Okay, moving on. Video game. Go to no, I don't want to, Dottie. Down in the shed, yeah. One in range. Where do you anticipate support resistance? Right here. Right here. Okay, mark the 25620 level on my chart. And let's see. Okay, I'm gonna name it. Where you at? Sunny. There we go. There's your level. You've piqued my curiosity. Let's see. Traders get real bored with names. We're a mad bunch. I can see that. Really? I got it correct? Nice winning. Down in the shed, thank you. Thanks for the sub, by the way. Livid, I have not bought anything. I wanted to actually sell. But it is actually time for me to hop off. I'll be back for the New York session. That was kind of fun. I think I need to start going through more indicators and trying to pronounce them. That's a good old, yeah, entertainment right there. I would have entered here. Let's see if this, I'll have to see when I come back for the New York session. Sorry today was a bit meh, but I guess this price action is a bit meh. That being said, I could have entered twice. Fine. It is what it is. We leave it alone and we move on. I'll have a look at this. I've saved it in my favorites. I'm gonna just close it for now. Let's see here. I would have mitigated my risk by half. regardless. So let's see if it goes or not. So I'll move this down because I would have mitigated by half already. See if it's a hit or a miss. Okay, I'm gonna call it there. That was a very weird day. Exactly, down in the shed. There's always something else. Yeah, and I guess not trading is better than taking silly trades that aren't part of your strategy, right? Okay. But I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Please don't forget to like the stream. Let's grow this awesome community. For those of you that are new, I did share the Discord link. It's also in the description below if you guys want to join the community. That would be awesome. This is going to work out how I wanted it to, and I'm going to be bummed. But moving on. Again, thank you. I'm a good... Okay. Thanks, Lubitz. Moving on. Again, thank you for joining. If you want to show some extra love and support, my code is TeachMaya for any of the prop firms that are in my description below. Yeah. Or, I don't know. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, I love you guys madly. I'll be back to the New York session. We've got this, I hope. We've got this. We've got this. Hopefully the price action treats us a little bit better, or else maybe I'll call it an early day and go do some backtesting. Never a bad idea. Okay. I love you guys madly. See you for the New York Open. Okay, bye.